Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to update Crossy Road application on your iOS device. To update the Crossy Road app, first of all, go ahead and open your App Store on your mobile device. If you're on Android, open up your Google Play Store. Once you get to the Google Play Store or the App Store, tap on the search button located at the bottom right. In the search box, type in Crossy Road. Look for the Crossy Road Endless Arcade Hopper, this game over here, and then if you see an update button instead of open, you will then need to tap on the update button to download the latest version. Once the app is updated, you can then open the app and your game is up to date. That is how you easily update the Crossy Road app to its latest version. If you found the video helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press on the bell icon and that way you'll never miss another update from us. I'll be back in the next video. Thank you for watching.